To coding studio learners. In this video I tell about how to add the two numbers and three numbers in one video. Let's see the logic about by adding the two numbers. By using the logic bit your logic through, you can go through the programming. So first you have to take the int a, b and sum. For sum you have to consider initialize as 0. Then printf. Then after scanf. These values are considered in programming. Then after sum equals to has a plus b. Then printf. This main logic you have to know. Sum equals to a plus b and the initialization we must have to know. By knowing it we can apply the programming. New source file. Let's consider in programming as include stdio.h int main flower bracket int a, b and sum equals to 0. Then after values initialization, the values of a and b equals to semicolon. Then scanf percentage d then ampersand a comma percent b semicolon. Then sum equals to a plus b. After printf, the sum equals to, what's the sum, as percentage d, then as sum. So this is the logic and the programming. Let's save the file as sum of 2 .c. Save file. Then saving .c. Okay. Saved and compiling and running. So I'm taking the values as big numbers 89 and 689. So the sum is the 778. So this is the logic of two numbers. So now let's see the three numbers logic. Same logic only, but here considering as C. Then here plus C. Sum of the difference only. So let's see. I'm applying same new source file. I'm taking the before only hash include same steps are used here. Int main int a comma b comma c comma sum equals to 0. Same steps, only sum of the differences. The values of a comma b comma c equals to scanf percentage d ampersand A, comma, ampersand B, comma, ampersand C, semicolon. Then after sum equals to A plus B plus C, printf sum equals to percentage D. Then here sum as it is. Only some differences have changed here. This step and somewhat this step and this step. These four lines are same, different. With all the steps are some of the modification has changed. So I'm saving it file as sum of 3 dot c. Here I'm clearing it. So I'm compiling and running daytime. So I'm taking a 58, 39, 47. So 144 is the sum of three numbers. So this is the logic of and the program of two numbers and three numbers. If you watch the complete video, you can able to understand the logic and the programming. I hope you understand the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more videos I post in that. By support of you, I can publish more videos in this. Thank you for watching.